Hey folks, Charles here, coming at you, day 4, question number 4. Out of all your talents and skills, your experiences, your expertise, what do you enjoy doing most? Make a list. Write down at least 5, preferably 10 items that you really enjoy doing, and put it together with your notes from the previous 3 days. So, if you haven't registered for this free event, please do so. It's going to really help you, seriously. 90% of the businesses and the entrepreneurs and marketers that I talked to this past year all struggle with this very topic. And this workshop is free to help you to just discover how to better define your bullseye. And if you have registered for it, please consider also upgrading to the Elite VIP experience, because we're going to be doing hot seats. Ask whatever questions they want. Ask me anything.